Welcome back, guys. I'm gonna take a break from working on this. I have to put a thermostat and a driver side headlight bulb in this 2017 Jeep Cherokee Limited, and you'll get to see who also drives this and tears this up all the time. But anyway, that's a young girl for you. Anyway, that's gonna be it for, and it's just a short video. It's just real fast going over the things that I get done with that one. Jumping off the car a little bit here. This is the 2017 Jeep. Like I said, it's my girlfriend's daughter's car, and I'll post the code. And I'm replacing the thermostat in it. That's the new one here. I already popped the old one out, and as you can tell, it sits right here. But as you have this, it flips over like that, connects to their air filter, comes over to the throttle body. You have one little clip, and that's probably the mass airflow sensor probably. But as you take that off, you just flip it over, and that opens everything up where you can get to it real easy. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that new one in there, pop it in there, and I'll get back with you. There you go, got that on. Now I'm gonna get all the hoses back on. We got one here, here, and then the big one. So I'll get all that on there. Okay, got those back on. Let me get that back on. I'm just double checking everything, making sure. Yeah, alrighty. Yes, I did. I plugged that back in. Okay, went ahead and beat everybody to it, but got everything back together. And put some coolant in it, and see what we got. Got it running. Let it just keep drinking it down. I only lost maybe that much coolant out of it, and that's not going to hurt anything. It's just straight water. It's just going to fill it back in. It's going to put that 50-50 mixture, you know, but it ain't going to hurt anything. Her stuff was dirty. Oh man, it was dirty. And it came out here. She might have to flush it this summer. Get it all really cleaned up. But there's one project done, and like I said, I still got that one out here to do. That's the Impala. I'm in the process of doing I already done the spark plugs on that one, and took the number. We had a misfire on number 5, so I took the coil off of 5 and put it on the 2, and still has a misfire. So I know it's not the coil and it's not the spark plugs. So it's got to be something else on that one. I'm gonna have to dig a little bit further down in that one to get it going. But this is what I'm up to until I get back onto the car, you guys. What I do when it's warm outside, then I gotta fix these vehicles out here. That's the whole process of, you got 3 women in the house, you gotta keep up on their vehicles too. Like and subscribe, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks. And by the way, again, I forgot, had to replace their headlight bulb too. So I took the air cleaner out. It sits right down in here, right here in the corner. So I took that out, so it gives me easier access to get to the bulb. So you gotta reach your hand right up in here, turn it counterclockwise, it pops out. It's got a long enough line on it to where you can get the bulb out. Now I'll get that back in there too. Okay, as you can see, driver's side headlight bulb replaced. Got that done. Now I got the culprit that's sitting in the driver's seat that tears everything up. Now this is their second Jeep. She's already blown 2 transmissions in the other one. And this is her, and I think it was a 12. And this is her other Jeep, the 17, but here's the culprit here. So then you got her sitting here.
Hello.
So, okay. And then, and you're saying, where's the temperature?
So before replacing the thermostat, it was sitting right about like in the middle of these 2 lines here.
Yeah.
And it was freaking cold. And now that I got it replaced, it's sitting right where it normally should be.
You still got
and I got heat.
Yeah.
I got some good heat in here now.
So now you just have to test drive it and see what happens and go from there.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
All right, that's it, guys. Appreciate it.
Have a good night.